Hello students, welcome back to my channel. International politics is an integral part of the syllabus of many competitive exams such as NET, SET, UPSC, PSC, CGL, teacher exams and so on. Now exams are approaching. Through the proper revision, you can get success in any exam. For cracking any competitive exam, you need to make the proper strategy of the revision. For international politics, I will make revision through quiz for each topic. Through quiz, you can evaluate your previous knowledge. Simultaneously, you can strengthen your knowledge about the concept or topics. In this video, I am going to conduct the quiz on World Trade Organization, which is one of the most important topics of international politics. This video is very informative and helpful for you for cracking any competitive exam. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start from the first question. When was the World Trade Organization created? Options are March 6, 1996, April 8, 1994, February 5, 1994, January 1st, 1995. Time is given to you. Within time, you have to write the correct answer. The correct answer of this question is option D, January 1st, 1995. Let us know some facts about this answer. It superseded the 1947 General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. The World Trade Organization deals with the global rules of trade between nations. Its main function is to ensure that trade flows as smoothly, predictably, and freely as possible. Now you should also know some important facts about GATT because questions have been repeatedly asked from this section. The General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade is a multinational trade treaty. What is the purpose of this organization? To promote international trade by reducing or eliminating trade barriers such as tariffs or quotas. How many rounds are conducted? Total 8 rounds are held between 1947 to 1995. When it was signed? It was signed on 30th October 1947 by 23 countries in Geneva. When it came into effect? It came into effect in January 1948. It is succeeded by World Trade Organization in 1995. Now the question is, how many countries are the members of WTO at present time? Options are 207, 195, 160, 164. Do you know the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, 164. The WTO has 164 members and 25 observer governments. Now you should also know some important facts about the members of WTO, which are very important for exam perspective. First, signatory members. 128 GATT countries signed the agreement at the end of 1994. India's membership. India is the member of WTO since 1st January 1995 and a member of GATT since 8 July 1948. If any country wants to join WTO, then the new member has to do the negotiation. An offer of accession is given once consensus is reached among members. The process takes about 5 years on average, but it can take some countries almost a decade if the country is less than fully committed to the process or if political issues interfere. Now we will see member with shortest negotiation. Kyrgyzstan became the member of WTO after negotiating for only 2 years and 10 months. Members with longest negotiation: Russia lasting 19 years and 2 months, Vanuatu lasting 17 years and 1 month, and China lasting 15 years and 5 months. Russia was one of the only two large economies outside of the WTO after Saudi Arabia joined in 2005. It had begun negotiating to join the WTO's predecessor in 1993. 157th member, Vanuatu, joined on 24th August 2012. The Lao People's Democratic Republic, Laos, and Tajikistan formally joined the WTO in 2013, raising WTO membership to 159. Then newest member. It is also very important. Afghanistan is the newest member of WTO, which joined WTO on 29th July 2016. Now the next question is, which among these is the headquarter of the WTO? Options are Austria, Geneva, New York, Washington DC. Do you know the answer? The correct answer is option B, Geneva. The Centre William Rappert CWR is the name of the building that has been home to the WTO Secretariat since the WTO was established in 1995. Now, next question is, which of these institutions is not a part of the World Bank community? Options are IFC, IDA, WTO, IBRD. The correct option is option C, WTO. Now you should also know the institutions which are associated with World Bank Group. First is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, 189 member countries, established in 1944. Then the International Development Association, launched on September 24, 1960 with 15 signatory countries. These signatory countries' names should be remembered: Australia, Canada, China, Germany, India, Italy, Malaysia, Norway, Pakistan, Sudan, Sweden, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. 173 countries are members at present time. The International Finance Corporation, founded on 20 July 1956, 184 countries are members. The Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, founded in 1988, and 181 countries are members. The International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, founded on 14th October 1966, 163 member states. So these institutions, number of member states, then establishment year in a chronological order should be remembered for attempting many indirect questions. Here fill in the blanks. along with the World Bank and WTO, is the third economic pillar of worldwide dimension. Options are International Economic Association, International Monetary Funds, International Development Bank, International Funding Organization. Now the correct option is option B, International Monetary Funds. The International Monetary Fund is an international financial institution headquartered in Washington, D.C. Now the next question is, who is the current Director General of WTO? These are the options. You have to select the correct one. The correct option is option D, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. She takes office on 1st March 2021. Now, she is the first woman and the first African to be chosen as Director General. Now the question is TRIPS, trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights agreement is administered by. These are the options. You have to select correct one. The correct option is option C, World Trade Organization. The Agreement on Trade-related Aspects of Intellectual Property Right is an international legal agreement between all the member nations of the World Trade Organization. Next question is, who is the most recently appointed the Ambassador and Permanent Representative of India to WTO? The correct option is option D, Brajendra Navneet. India has appointed Brajendra Navneet, a 1999 IS officer of Tamil Nadu cadre, as its ambassador to the World Trade Organization. The appointment committee of the cabinet approved his appointment for a period of 3 years from the date of assumption of charge. Anwar Hussain Shaikh is the new consular at the Permanent Mission of India at the WTO. Now the next question is, the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act created NAFTA, changed US tariffs to be in compliance with the GATT, raised tariffs on tulips imported into the Netherlands to over 100%, restricted US imports of motorcycles in the 1970s, raised US tariffs on hundreds of products at the start of 1930s. The correct option is option E, raised US tariffs on hundreds of products at the start of 1930s. The Tariff Act of 1930, commonly known as the Smoot-Hawley Tariff or Hawley-Smoot Tariff Act, was a law that implemented protectionist trade policies in the United States. Now you should also know some important facts about Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act. It is sponsored by Senator Smoot and Representative Willis C. Hawley. It was signed by President Herbert Hoover on June 17, 1930, then enacted by the 71st United States Congress. U.S. legislation June 17, 1930 that raised import duties to protect American businesses and farmers, adding considerable strain to the international economic climate of the Great Depression. The act takes its name from its chief sponsors, Senator Reed Smoot of Utah, Chairman of the Senate Finance Committee, and Representative Willis Hawley of Oregon, Chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee. It was the last legislation under which the US Congress set actual tariff rates. Now the next question is, which of the following issues did the Uruguay round not address? Options are tariffs, intellectual property, agriculture, migration. The correct option is option D, migration. The Uruguay round was the 8th round of multilateral trade negotiation conducted within the framework of the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Now you should also know some important facts about the Uruguay round because it is very important topic for exam perspective. The Uruguay round took place between 1987 to 1994. It was ended with the Marrakesh Agreement. This agreement is also very important, which established the World Trade Organization. 123 countries were the contracting parties. The GATT 1947 was terminated in 1996 and WTO integrated its provisions into GATT 1994. The GATT 1994 is an international treaty binding upon all WTO members. It is only concerned with trade in goods. The main objectives of the Uruguay round were to reduce agriculture subsidies, to lift restrictions on foreign investment, to begin the process of opening trade in services like banking and insurance, to include the protection of intellectual property. Now the question is, which of the following is not a member of the WTO? These are the options: United States, China, Russia, North Korea. What is the correct option? The correct option is option D, North Korea. Only 14 countries are not WTO members. These nations do not wish to become members. These countries' name you should remember. They are Aruba, Eritrea, Kiribati, Kosovo, Marshall Island, Micronesia, Monaco, Nauru, North Korea, Palau, the Palestinian territories, San Marino, Sint Maarten, and Tuvalu. Now the question is, NAFTA is an example of. Options are common market, customers union, economic community, free trade agreement. The answer is option D, free trade agreement. NAFTA is the agreement that came into being on January 1st, 1994 to stimulate trade and investment between the US, Canada and Mexico. It is an example of North American Free Trade Agreement 1994. What are the 6 elements of pest analysis? These are the options. You have to select correct one. The correct option is option B. Political, economic, social and technological. The pest analysis is a useful tool for understanding market growth or decline, and as such the position, potential and direction for the business. PEST is an acronym for political, economic, social and technological factors which are used to access the market for a business or organizational unit. Next question is, the World Bank is made up of how many members? Options are 100, 198, 189, 170. The correct option is option C, 189. Which year was IMF established? These are the options. You have to select correct one. Now the correct option is option A, 1945. International Monetary Fund started its functioning from 1st March 1947. Next question is, the organization which accelerates and promotes industrial development in developing countries is, first is UNIDO, UNICEF, World Bank, IBRD. The correct option is option A, UNIDO. The United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, is the specialized agency of the United Nations that promotes industrial development for poverty reduction, inclusive globalization and environmental sustainability. On 17th November 1966, the United Nations General Assembly passes Resolution 2152 establishing the United Nations Industrial Development Organization as an autonomous body within the United Nations. Now the question is, ultimately GATT was replaced by the, these are the options. I think you all know the correct answer. The correct option is option C, WTO. The WTO officially commenced on 1st January 1995 under the Marrakesh agreement signed on 15th April 1994, replacing the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, which commenced in 1948. Now the question is, which is the right sequence of internationalization? These are the options. The correct option is option A, domestic, transnational, international, multinational. Now the question is, the main promoter of trade liberalization and settlement of dispute. Options are NAFTA, SAFTA, WTO, EU. The correct option is option C, WTO. Next question is, dumping refers to, these are the options. You have to select correct one. The correct option is option B, sell of good abroad at low price than in home market. When a company export a product to another country at a price below the price charged in the country of manufacture or below the cost of manufacturing the product, it is known as dumping the product. Now the question is a bilateral trade agreement between two nations? Options are TNC, grey market, counter trade, MNC. The correct option is option D, MNC. A multinational company is a corporate organization that owns or controls production of goods or services in at least one country other than its home country. Now the question is, the terms TRIPS and TRIMS are related to, options are given here. The correct option is option A, WTO. The Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights, TRIPS, is an international legal agreement between all the member nations of the World Trade Organization. The Agreement on Trade-Related Investment Measures, TRIMS, are rules that are applicable to the domestic regulations a country applies to foreign investors, often as part of an industrial policy. Now the question is, which of the following types of regional economic integration focuses only on eliminating internal tariffs? These are the options. The correct option is option D, free trade area. Which of the following is an example of producer cartel? Options are ASEAN, EU, Mercosur, OPEC. The correct option is option D, OPEC. Now we should also know about the facts of OPEC. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, is a permanent intergovernmental organization created at the Baghdad Conference on September 10 to 14, 1960 by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. Currently, the organization comprises 15 member countries, namely Algeria, Angola, Congo, Ecuador, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Libya, Nigeria, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates and Venezuela. The country where the headquarters of a multinational corporation is located is known as, these are the options: host country, home country, third country, neighboring country. Do you know the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, home country. Please like, share and subscribe.